Hello guys and welcome to Zim Train Daily. So Chivayo na Scotty vapa Warriors or vachapa Warriors 250,000 USD after vaqualifya kuenda kuma AFCON achaitwa mna 2025 ku Morocco. So I think this is a motivation kuma players and kuna coach kune everything are involved in Warriors, because one of the things chainetsa pamazuva apfuura ende chaizotikanganisa bhore redu yanga iri nyaya yemari. I remember very well Warriors achimboita demonstration ekuti havasi kutraina, havasi kuita sei just because hakuna mari, and izvozvozvo zvai affecta performances Warriors. So I think it's a good thing chaitwa na Scott na Chivayo vati vachadamburirana 125 yoita 250 ichapiwa Warriors. So we're going to watch this video, and interesting part about this video is Chivayo achiti mari hatisoda kuipa Zifa. I don't know what he meant by that part, but kangonditira fani. So we are going to watch a video ravo vachipledza kupa Warriors 250 USD.
So we made a decision that since the Warriors qualified AFCON, and we know they have a match today, but this is Nabasa. What will qualify a match and Nabasa? Yeah, so we've agreed. What do we say, Mario?
We have agreed to put 250 to the table.
So we say 125. And they show 125.
Yeah.
To Aban.
Yeah.
Cash.
Yeah. This is.
To Aban in Tadzo get us one.
That's a great Zimbabwe
next week.
Yeah.
So Topa and
Topa Zif.
I want no Zifa Titizo. Topa. What do we obviously get clearance from our parties and pay for what we want to intend to do to congratulate the Warriors for the victory, and then we arrange we can give the Minister of Sports either Kester Coventry or Tinama Chakari, then they give them the 250,000 in cash, so that it's done properly. We're very particular about protocol. Everything we do is in the name of ZANU-PF, and anyone who accepts money from us must know it's yeah. So good, done, dusted. 250,000 cash next week for them, man. You agree?
Yes.
125 from you, 125 from me. Okay, done. Warriors, $250,000 cash coming to you next week from me and Scott. Congratulations on qualifying AFCON. We are proud of you.
Okay, so that is the video. So in another story also, Chivayo akabatsira this Radio 2 presenter akabuditsa video achiratidza kuti zvinhu zvake zvakasina zvisiri kunazofamba, ende akakumbira rubatsiro kune ruzhinji rweZimbabwe kunyanya kuna Say Weakness. So Say Weakness vakaresponda for that video vakamupa 20,000 USD in cash neimwe 15,000 yavakati vanochazomutengera like a truck yekuti akwanise kurima, because so far munhu iye ari kugara kumusha. So his name is Simon Ncube, of which star rake raizikana naro ainzi Pashoma, ari paRadio 2 Zimbabwe, paRadio 2 yakunzi Radio Zimbabwe at this moment. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like it.